Welcome to this powerful English story challenge. Most beginners fail to finish until the end. But today, you will prove that you are different. Stay with me from the beginning to the last word. This story is not only about English. It is about courage, growth, and never giving up. A young boy once dreamed of speaking English. But every time he tried, people laughed. He wanted to hide and remain silent forever. His heart was heavy with fear and shame. He believed he was not good enough. But deep inside, a small fire still burned. One day, he met a wise old teacher. The teacher looked into his eyes kindly. He said, "Your journey is just beginning. Do not be afraid of mistakes." The teacher said, "Every mistake is proof that you are learning." The boy listened but still felt unsure. "I will give you a challenge," said the teacher. "Listen to a story with an open heart. If you understand, you are growing stronger." The boy nodded and agreed with courage. He wanted to test his progress today. The teacher began the simple yet deep story. There was once a tiny seed in the ground. It was weak, small, and easily forgotten. But inside, it carried the power of life. The seed wanted to grow into the light, but heavy soil pressed down on it. Darkness surrounded it from every side. Many seeds gave up and died quietly. But this little seed refused to stop. It pushed with tiny strength each day. The rain came gently and gave water. The sun shined above with warm light. Together, they helped the seed survive. Slowly, the seed broke the hard ground. It became a small sprout of hope. The journey of growth had truly begun. The wind tried to destroy the sprout, but still, it stood firm against fear. The boy listened closely to every word. He saw himself inside the little seed. Small, weak, but full of hidden strength. "Do you understand the word sprout?" asked the teacher. "It means the first growth of a plant." The boy repeated the word with care. Day after day, the sprout grew higher. It faced the sun with brave green leaves. It became stronger than before with time. The boy smiled as he listened carefully. He realized English was like that sprout. Growth was slow, but it was real. "Do you feel like the seed sometimes?" asked the teacher. "Do mistakes make you want to give up?" The boy nodded, remembering his pain. "But every mistake is like the rain," said the teacher. "It helps you grow deeper and stronger." The boy's eyes filled with new hope. The story ended, but the meaning stayed. The boy understood more than just words. He understood the secret of learning. Most beginners stop after one mistake, but the boy decided he would continue. He would rise like the seed in light. Are you following the story with me? Do you understand the lesson so far? Stay focused. You are learning English. The teacher gave the boy more words. He repeated them slowly with confidence. His voice grew stronger with each sound. "Every time you speak, you grow," said the teacher. "Every word makes you more powerful." The boy smiled with new courage. The boy practiced listening every day. He repeated words with focus. Each sentence felt easier than before. Like the sprout, he became taller inside. His confidence grew with steady steps. He believed he could master English. The teacher asked him again with joy, "Do you want to grow like the seed?" The boy said yes. That moment changed everything for him. He no longer feared mistakes or failure. He welcomed them as part of growth. Do you also feel stronger now? Do you see that mistakes help you? Write your answer in the comments below. The boy continued his journey with faith. Every challenge became a new opportunity. His English improved step by step. Just like him, you are improving now. By listening to this story with focus, you are growing your English every second. Most beginners give up too soon. But you stayed until this part. That proves you are not like the rest. You are stronger than you believe. Your progress is already very real, and your courage will take you far. This story is a mirror of your life. The seed is your English and growth. Both are possible if you never quit. Remember, the soil is heavy at first, but each push makes you stronger. Your growth is already happening now. The teacher reminded him with wisdom. English is not about perfection. It is about progress every day. The boy repeated after the teacher. He learned to love his own mistakes. He was no longer afraid of practice. Do you repeat words when you learn? Do you speak even if you are wrong? This is the true path to fluency. The sprout became a strong tree. Its roots held deep in the earth. Its branches reached high to the sky. The boy grew like that strong tree. He held wisdom deep inside his heart, and courage spread in all directions. The teacher was proud of his student. He had turned fear into confidence. His English was now alive with power. You are like that boy today. You are listening, learning, and growing. You are stronger than you think. The challenge is almost complete now. Most beginners fail before this part, but you are still standing here. That means you are not a quitter. You are a winner in this challenge. You are learning English with courage. Step by step, line by line, you grow. Your listening improves every moment. Your heart becomes stronger with English. This is not just a story today. It is your personal English journey. You are writing it with each word. The teacher asked one last question. What did you learn from this story? The boy answered with shining eyes. I learned that mistakes are my teachers. I learned that growth is slow but real. And I learned never to stop trying. Do you feel the same as the boy? What is your lesson from this story? Write it down so you will remember. The boy left with a smile of hope. He was no longer afraid of speaking. His English was a new source of pride. Just like him, you can shine today. Your English can bring you new doors. Your courage can change your future. Do not stop after this video ends. Practice more stories, more listening. Every day is a chance to grow. Remember the seed in its struggle. It grew because it never gave up. That is also your secret to success. You are not like other beginners. You finished the story with focus. You proved your strength right now. Most beginners fail this challenge. But you stayed until the very end. That makes you special and unique. You listened. You understood. You grew. That is the purpose of this challenge. To show you your true potential. Take pride in your effort today. You are stronger than yesterday. And tomorrow, you will be stronger still. The boy continued learning forever. He became fluent, step by step. And his courage inspired many others. Your journey can inspire too. By sharing your progress with others, you bring hope to many learners. This is more than just English. It is about building inner strength and becoming the best version of you. Every word is a seed of power. Every sentence is a step forward. You are creating a new future. Be proud of your journey now. You are walking the path of success, and the best is yet to come. This challenge is almost over, but your story continues from here. Carry this lesson into your life. Do you want more stories like this? Stories that teach English and courage? Then stay close, because many are coming. This channel is your home to grow. Here you will find English and hope. Here you will always be inspired. If this story touched your heart today, if you learned and felt stronger now, subscribe and join this journey with us. Press like to support our mission. Leave a comment with your thoughts. Share this with another beginner. Remember, you are not alone. Thousands are learning with you here. We are one community of strength. Thank you for listening until the end. You proved yourself in this challenge. Now your English journey shines bright.